Are you thinking about making a move to Greensboro, North Carolina? I am here today to take you on a tour of a sweet little town called Kernersville. My name is Meredith Parsons. I live here. I love it here. I want you to visit, and I want you to come and move here and love it as much as I do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to be taking you on a tour of all things Greensboro Triad area. A little bit of restaurants, a little bit of activities, all the things you could do, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on any of our adventures. You ready? Let's go. Okay, we are in the sweet town of Kernersville. So first I'm going to give you a tour of downtown, tell you all about Kernersville, then take you by a couple museums and what this city is known for, this town is known for, and then show you a couple of shops, like the big shopping area. My mom always calls it a glitter gulch, and that's what I tend to call it. So it's where all the shops and the big box stores are, like the main drag. And then if you stick around to the end, I'll take you to the Botanical Gardens. Okay, you ready? Let's go, I'm excited. Okay, so the sweet little town of Kernersville is a suburb of Winston-Salem. We are now actually in Forsyth County, where I've only been showing you places in Guilford County. We're in Forsyth County. So it is a suburb of Winston-Salem. It is the largest suburb of Winston-Salem. It is 26,000 people that live here, so it's much smaller compared to Greensboro, but much larger compared to my last two videos where I showed you Oak Ridge and Summerfield. Those are about 6,000 or 7,000. So this is 26,000 people that live here, and it's about a 17-mile square radius. And so let me just give you a little show you a little bit about what's downtown. So it is a historical downtown, which I love. Got the flags flying. Yeah, so this Kernersville was established in 1871. I think that's right, 1871. So there's lots of history. If you've seen any of my old videos, my other videos, you'll know that I love old buildings, old brick, anything old with history to it. So Kernersville is a great spot if you're thinking about not living in the city of Winston or Greensboro, or perfect if you're a family or you have a partner or roommate or whatever, and one wants to work in one area. It's really smack dab in the middle. You could be in High Point, Greensboro, or Winston-Salem. So that makes it really nice. The taxes here are a little bit less than they are in Greensboro. So I feel like you're gonna get more bang for your buck here because there's less people. Let me show you this little park that they have here. This little sitting area. I mean, how pretty is this? This is just right here in downtown. I come here every day with a coffee, hide from my family. So yeah, this town, it's great. You would have to look up the schools, and depending on where you wanted to be location-wise. I will say that they have been having to work on, there are koi, y'all. Look. Oh my goodness. How sweet is this? I just got distracted. I forgot what I was talking about. Infrastructure. Okay, so the driving around here. I would say personally that being right in the middle of everything, I think that they haven't quite worked out the roads, but they are working on it because they're making a loop that's going to go all the way around Kernersville that's going to make driving easier. It was less populated, and I think more and more people are moving out and realizing they can get more bang for their buck here, and that it's just become more populated. I would say if you were traveling a lot out of Kernersville, I would try and move a little bit further out so you could be closer to the highways, but you've got 421 and 40, both business, and you would get on business 40. And that's going to take you out to Winston or Greensboro, and then regular 40 takes you both to Winston and Greensboro. I mean, look at this. They've got free parking here. Who doesn't love free parking? Okay, so here behind me is the Kernersville Museum. This is something you may want to hit up if you're wanting some history, which I love. So, okay, what I'm going to do today, I just showed you around downtown. I will go drive you around like the big box stores. Like here, you don't have to really leave. I mean, everything really is here. Like you have all of your Home Depot and Lowe's and Walmart and all the things that you would need here, but you really can jump on 40 and be to Winston or Winston-Salem or Greensboro. And if you need bigger shopping, I will say that Winston-Salem has St. Haynes Mall, which is a really nice mall, like a mall proper, and then Greensboro has Friendly Center, which is an outdoor shopping. And but everything you would have is here, but I'm gonna go drive you by that just so you can see what those shops are. And if you stick to the end, I'll take you by the, it's windy, sorry. I'll take you by the Botanical Gardens. So, oh, and the Foley House. I'm gonna drive by that because it's real pretty, and that's another historical place. So, are you ready? Let's go. The great thing about downtown is you've got all these little local shops and eateries that you can go and check out. Here's another museum that's here. It's the Korners Foley, and it's right behind me. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's from 1880. And who built it she was a designer, and they built this massive house, which is so gorgeous. To showcase all of her artwork and her designs. So on Mondays it's closed, of course, because we're hoping to be here on Monday. Somebody's actually got it rented out, but they do have tours. You are able to come back and get a tour. And look at this. How pretty is this? Look at that. Oh. Definitely worth a stop on the museum tour of Kernersville. Okay, I'm gonna go show you the shops now. We are at our final stop at the Ciener Botanical Gardens here in Kernersville, and I do not think we could have picked a better day in the spring to come out and see it. Let me show you. I mean, look at this. All this is right downtown. We're about a mile, if that. I'm not great at mileage, from where we were downtown. So I've kind of driven all over the place. But yeah, check this out. How gorgeous is this? So not only is this town filled with history, which not everybody loves that, but I certainly do, it still has a great amount to offer. You've got local restaurants and shops, you've got big box stores, so if you don't want to shop local, I'm gonna have to put my sunglasses on, it's real bright. You can support local businesses, and it's perfect because you can be to Winston, High Point, Greensboro, and Oak Ridge. Oak Ridge is really not that far, so a lot of people live in Oak Ridge and then come here as well. So that's another spot that you can be and hop around to and keep in mind. So let me turn it around and show you what else is here. Oh my gosh. Oh, everything's blooming. I would definitely keep this as a contender of a spot to maybe live. Greensboro is not your thing, you want to be further out, I would definitely consider Kernersville because it has a lot to offer. Okay, I appreciate you coming on this tour. I've enjoyed it. It's been a gorgeous day. I don't think we could have asked for better weather. It's hot, but it's still been great, and I do enjoy you coming. So next week, I think we're either gonna hit up High Point or Winston. I don't know. Again, I fly by the seat of my pants. So anyway, thanks. I'll see you next time.